This is the first GMC 1500 AT4X in the entire world to get a Mcgaughys lift.
Maybe if you would have the right horse the first time, we would have.
Y'all need to quit bull. What the hell are you doing here anyway? Y'all need to move this thing. Dumb.
I've been excited about this one for a long time, and we are finally getting to do one. One of the most under-documented thing in the industry, in my opinion, is lifting a ZR2 or AT4X, GMC 1500 AT4X, or one of the Chevy 1500 ZR2s. And behind me, we have a beautiful tan 2024 GMC AT4X that does come with the upgraded suspension front and rear, or technically like a Fox shocks front and rear. Southern Tire is going to be building one in this video. So we've ordered a 7 to 9 inch Mcgaughys lift kit for it, which is gonna go on the truck. One of the coolest things about this lift kit is Mcgaughys has just started releasing their new stainless accent pieces on the upper control arms. So all of your upper control arms do come with a stainless mirrored finish accent piece to match the front crossmember and the front compression bars and the rear traction bars if you upgrade those as well. So those come with it instead of having the silver or gray color, which is absolutely phenomenal. It's my first time seeing them in person, and I'm freaking excited to show it to you. I did get a chance to see it when I went to Mcgaughys facility back a couple months ago, but I wasn't allowed to say anything at the time. But they are now coming on all of your upper control arms that you purchase from your dealer. Obviously it's after hours, and I stopped by to see the truck before it got lifted. I wanted to see how the truck looks stock. Comes with the black and milled 22s, and he had put some ridge grapplers on it, but I sold him a Mcgaughys kit. There may need to be some modifications done to the front end, and that is something that we are going to document in the vehicle once they start on the build on Monday. But in front of me, you can see you have your Mcgaughys billet accent pieces on the upper control arms, which is so freaking cool. I'm so excited to finally see these on the market. And then you've got your beautiful Mcgaughys front crossmember that does have the matching accent pieces on it. That's one of the coolest things that they've done this year, is start matching the upper control arms to the lift kit, and the compression bars obviously have the same accent pieces on them. Southern Tire always has something cool going on at the shop, so it's always cool when I get to stop by and see what they got going on. Now I know what these are because the customer told me, but I'm going to let you guys. Oh no, they're different. I guess we're gonna have to wait and see what the wheels are, because those are a little bit different than what he told me anyway. But he's got 26 by 14s and 37s going on this today. So 9 inch lift, 26s, 37s, Mcgaughys kit, Southern Tire, GMC, Chevy 1500. You guys know the vibes. Let's get this bread, baby. John, come here. Come on, John.
Come here. Come here.
What are we doing? Hey guys, it's that white bow tie.
John! John! So everybody, the reason that there's no trucks on YouTube of anybody building an AT4X or a ZR2 is because I don't think it's really ever been done. I found one video and it's got no walk around, no explanation, no anything. So the goal here today is obviously the AT4Xs and the ZR2s come with a different front strut than a normal truck does. It's got this like Fox style, some kind of crap. I don't even know what this is, to be honest. Whoa. Nice shaft. I mean, drive shaft.
It's pretty heavy.
I mean, pretty big and long. And anyway, sorry. So these have to come out. John, are the mounting points for the struts different? So the lower control arm works fine because the mounting points are the same, correct? Nothing about the lower control arm has to be changed? So it's just this, so the strut mount on top is the same too, right? No, so we had to get a completely different front strut from the factory to be able to make this work, because you need the different top hats and the collar on the bottom and a different spring. So you need just about everything other than the strut, and the strut comes from Mcgaughys. So essentially, to make this work, you need to buy a completely factory style strut, quick strut. You need the top strut mount and the lower collar and the spring to be able to make it work. Mcgaughys sends you the strut. So just get rid of this completely. This is the shock that comes out of the back. Obviously the shock mounts are the exact same. So your Mcgaughys shock is gonna bolt directly in with no issues. I will find out before the end of the video what was done to the leaf springs in the back to make that work though. Ooh, I ain't seen those in a minute.
Hope the center cap don't fall off.
Not to. Ooh, UPS coming in clutch. With the center your cap out there?
26s and 37s. With the Furies.
So we do have to wait for the struts to come in. Struts will be here at some point tomorrow, and they're gonna call me so I can drive down here super quick so we can see everything go back together. Long story short, all that they had to do was there's a clamp that goes over the leaf springs that they had to cut off. No modifications outside of that to the leaf springs, so not a huge issue when it comes to the leaf springs on the AT4Xs, but obviously the struts have to be different in the front. Those will be here tomorrow, so currently at a standstill till the struts come in, but I'll see you guys when they show up tomorrow. Can you, wait. I don't think I can see you on there. Yeah, I can.
See it?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
It is? Good. This ain't my
Oh!
I forgot about it.
The new style. See, look how easy that was. Way too heavy for me. But you can see, you get the point. You get the point. Just so we can clarify, this is the bracket that comes off the back of the leaf spring, and this has to be cut off to be able to put the add-a leaf in. I was able to find this today so you guys could see what piece comes off the rear leaf pack. The compressor would turn off. So we have the finished strut. We've gotten rid of the old one from the dealer because Mcgaughys is going to come with the strut and all your preload spacers. From the dealer, you need the factory strut assembly so you can get the top hat, the coil, the dust shield, I guess what you call it, and the bottom collar is what you need. Mcgaughys can do that. Bro, relax, buddy.
Oh my God.
John! 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 John. The people, they want to see you. Bro,
Do your job, you f***ing sweat.
Today we got this tan GMC AT4X in here, putting the Mcgaughys on it. People say it can't be done. Can't be done. John can do it though, can't he? Say hey, John. Hey.
He's not gonna post that.
Huh?
He's not gonna post that.
You don't think so?
Nope.
Bro, John, are you gonna finish this truck sometime today or what?
Maybe if you would have the right parts the first time, we would have been done, right?
The customer knew, John. John, I've got a really important question for you. I'm being serious. Do you think the truck's gonna sit level?
You think my sits level? That's that question.
Okay. Oh, okay. All right.
That's a fair statement. I don't know.
The AT4Xs come with a leveling kit and a bigger leaf spring pack in the rear. So if we're doing 9 inches in the front and 9 inches in the back, technically it should sit 2 inches taller in the back, right? Is my mathin', John? I think so.
I don't know.
Last time, it's probably my fault. Whatever it was, it's definitely my fault. We're gonna hang out and find out, aren't we, John?
When Buddy bought your lift kit, you're like, set it at 9.
Set it at 9 in the front.
Yeah,
No, that was the max track.
That didn't work.
No,
That was terrible.
it's max track. That's probably why. What is this? Ooh.
Funny if they had like alcohol in them or something.
Southern lemonade, Skittles,
worm.
strawberry orange, gummy worm, energy
This is
limeade,
Hawaiian, I can do that.
Hawaiian,
Watermelon lemonade.
cherry limeade,
Peach watermelon.
peach watermelon. Ooh.
I'm probably
I think I'm gonna go gummy worm.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna go.
Try this. A little break from the. Look at the little
I don't know, Skittles kind of looks good, but
little guy on the front. Hello.
Skittles looks like it give you a kidney infection.
Look at that color though.
I hope it don't taste like tea. Like
Treat from a local place down the street. Yeah, I hope it's not like flavored tea. You know what I mean?
Exactly what it is. It's health tea, they said. Or like vitamin tea or something. Great. Josh? No? Oh, that was your keys. I bet.
That's not bad.
Oh yeah, that's good.
About to give 2 of them away.
Hello.
This is gummy worm.
This is really good. Don't even taste like tea.
That's so good, actually. That's not bad.
Here's what we have, Corbin. Strawberry pineapple lemonade, strawberry orange passion fruit, peach watermelon's what I'm drinking, and it's delicious. And then cherry limeade.
The place is called Sippin' Sun.
It's freaking phenomenal.
Sippin' Sun in Mcdonough. Shout out.
Poke a hole in this first. Just Alex's key to be alright.
Yeah, it's just my key to my truck. That's fine.
Yeah, that's not a problem.
You not gonna dance with me, John? Bro, you're a sweat. You're a sweat. Dude, you? We all know.
John is.
Time for tires?
Moment of truth? No, it's his level. What do you mean? No. Maybe it does sit taller in the rear. You might be right. Yeah, I think you're right.
I wasn't here.
Hey, Leonard, I think you're right.
I need a tape measure, boy.
Yeah, I think you're right. Ooh. Pull that thing out. I ain't talking about the tape measure.
Pull it out.
What's it in the front?
A little under 13.
A little under 13.
No, it's good.
What is it in the back?
13 1/4.
So it's half an inch, 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, it'll be all right. So we came back first thing this morning. Leonard's got to finish cutting our AT4X in there, and then we're gonna go on a test drive and then show you guys the final product. And we do have one other truck I want to show you guys today. I'm not gonna be able to be here to see this one get finished, but at least you guys will get to see the wheels that are going on. So this gray, slate gray, whatever color you want to call it, GMC over here is getting a 9-inch Mcgaughys lift today and some 2414 KG1 jacked, which obviously I will not be here that late in the day or even tomorrow because I'll be on the road to be able to see this one done, but I at least wanted to show you guys the wheels before they go on the truck. 2414 KG1 jacked on the slate gray GMC with the Mcgaughys kit. I know that one's going to look really good. Yeah. super special moment because to mine and Jake's knowledge, this is the first GMC AT4X, 2024 GMC 1500 AT4X in the entire world to get a Mcgaughys lift. They make other lift kits for them, but Mcgaughys doesn't make a lift kit specifically for this truck because it has a different strut and shock package all the way around, which we've kind of explained in the video. But just to give you a quick rundown, 2614 Axe compression forged. I don't know if they're forged technically anymore, but Axe compression wheels. 37, 13, 50, 26 Fury MTs. The Furies come with a total tire protection plan, so when you buy them from a dealer, they do come with a road hazard warranty through Fury, which is super easy to deal with. The dealers don't have to worry about it. The customers do all the information. It's super, super easy to do. 7 and 9 inch Mcgaughys lift kit, the best part of the build in my opinion. Mcgaughys comes with the billet accent pieces, which is why it's my favorite lift kit on the market right now. It's got the super nice gloss black finish to it, the powder coat with all the billet accent pieces and the Mcgaughys billet silver logo on it. We did upgrade to the upper control arms. What's so special about this one, and I had kind of talked about it earlier in the video, I'm gonna put a clip here so you guys can see it better. This is the first truck that I've seen in the wild, I like to say in the wild, just out in public, out in the world, since Mcgaughys has switched to the billet accent pieces or the mirrored stainless accent pieces on the upper control arms. We didn't do the caps. The caps would have been just a beautiful addition to it, but instead of having the silver or the gray accent pieces on the upper control arms, now you have a billet, or not billet, but a stainless mirrored accent piece that matches the front cross member and the front compression struts, because the front compression struts come with that same mirrored accent piece. So it's just out of the box, you buy the upper control arms, you get the mirrored accent piece that matches the lift kit instead of having the silver or the gray. Absolutely perfect. And I just specifically wanted to make this video just to show you guys that you can lift the GMC AT4X, and the ZR2 is the exact same. Obviously you need a couple of pieces from the dealer. We're gonna do a test drive here in a minute hopefully and show you guys. There is no lights on the deck. Well, technically here, truck is done, it's on the ground, it's been cut. I don't know what he did to the exhaust, but the exhaust sounds great. But there's no lights on the dash. There's nothing about these shocks that are electronic. We got to fix the tire pressure on one of the tires, and they do have to clean up the trim job a little bit. We got to zip tie some stuff up front and clean up the trim a little bit. I just wanted to film it and just get it done because I got to leave in a minute. But no lights on the dash. There's nothing that you really got to worry about. It's not like deleting a strut or anything. Well, we're deleting a strut, but we're not deleting like an electronic strut or anything like that. So
you said exactly what it is.
Yeah.
It's not like
we're deleting a strut. Yeah, but there's no electronic pieces to it. Is what I'm saying. There's no wires. You know, nothing that you have to do. All you got to do is just get rid of the factory stuff.
Y'all need to quit bull. What the hell are you doing here anyway? Y'all need to move this thing. I got something to pull in the bay. Dumb.
The greatest Jackie Pines cameo of all time. Jackie Pines, we love you. And Brandon with J&J Remodel, love y'all so much. We do the same Mcgaughys, the same 26, the same 37. This time it's on a GMC AT4X. So if you guys ever have any questions, I'll be, all the shop information in the description below. Y'all show some love. And I know that wherever the gray truck is at, Jake's doing a video on the gray truck. So I'm gonna put his YouTube in the description so you guys can see the final build on the gray truck for you guys on the channel.
Question.
But that's it. Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Did it look cool? CJ gives me crap about that one in my outro all the time.
Did you have fun though?
That's fun.
Good, because you're done.